want to take a moment to talk about the epidemiology portion of the USMLE exam. You've got case control, cohort, cross-section. Seems really easy, but unfortunately it's not. There's a lot of things that you need to know. Specifically on case control, you've got to know that case control is going to be retrospective. You're going to be looking back in case control. You've got to know that in case control, you've got a specific population that has the disease, and you've got a specific population that does not have the disease. When you think of case control, you've got to think of odds ratio, or OR. For cohort studies are going to have one population that does not have the disease, and you've got another population that does not have the disease. So you've got two populations, neither of which have the disease. Now this can be either forward, prospective, or it can be back, retrospective. When you think about cohort, you're going to be thinking about relative risk, or RR. For cross-section is going to be looking at prevalence, and it's going to be looking at a specific point in time. If you've got any kind of study that says we've been looking back 5 years, we've been looking forward, we follow this group of individuals 5 years, it's not going to be cross-section. Cross-section looks at a specific point in time. Like if the people conducting the study are just looking at records at that point in time, and they come up with some sort of conclusion based on that, that's going to be cross-section. Now you're also going to need to know about twin concordance studies, which is pretty simple, and adoption studies, which is pretty self-explanatory. But really the main two are case control and cohort. You need to know about case control's odds ratio, cohort is relative risk, and you're going to need to know that case control is retrospective. Cohort is primarily prospective, but it can be retrospective as well. And cross-section is going to be that specific point in time.